Tony took a taxi and took off for airport. Taxi driver was driving in right lane and suddenly another taxi got off its parking space right in front of his taxi. Tony's taxi driver applied brakes and they were saved just by an inch from getting into an accident with that taxi. Driver of another taxi looked back and started yelling at Tony's taxi driver. His taxi driver didn't get angry and just smiled and waved in response to him. Tony was surprised to see this response of his taxi driver and asked him, "Why did you do that? Weren't you angry that he almost got us into an accident and it was his mistake and yet he was yelling at you?" Taxi driver explained, "Sir, there are many people like garbage truck. They are full of frustration, anger, disappointments. As all this garbage pile up and they need to dump it, and sometime they will dump it at you. You don't have to take it personally and just wave and smile at them and move on. We don't need to take that garbage and spread it around at home or work.